Okay, so this is our I already show you, this is our project structure. Okay, now I am going to create code. Okay, so I'm going to close this. This is also I'm going to close. I'm going to close this one also. Okay, I don't need this one. So okay, so I have these folders. Okay, so first I need to write code for config. So here I need to create one profile, that is providers.py. Okay, so guys, this is our first file. First we define the provider our system will support. Okay, in this course we will use Groq or OpenRouter. Okay, so we are going to use OpenRouter or Groq API in our project. Okay, so it will give you what? It provide the model names, okay, and rate limit and environment variable also. So I'm going to write everything one by one, so wait and watch. So I'm going to write code for this. So here just copy and paste. Okay, so here I use a file name is config. Okay, folder name is config, this one, and file name is provider.py. Okay, it defines provider and model limits used in this course. Okay, we only support two providers, Groq and OpenRouter. This file acts as the single source of truth for provider name, model list, and environment variable. Okay, so this is actually I'm going to write here in what, in doc string, that you can understand. Okay, so after this I'm going to write here in comments provider identifier. Okay, and here after this I'm going to write code. I hope is it visible to you? Yes, I hope it is visible to you. So first I'm going to create provider 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 Groq. I already show you Groq. I'm going to use Groq here. Okay, and after this I'm going to use provider OpenRouter. Okay, so we are going to use two provider, that is one is Groq and second one is provider OpenRouter. Okay, so here I just need to write Groq. With the help of Groq we can access Groq model and API here, rate limit, everything. Okay, and here I just need to write OpenRouter. Okay, Groq and OpenRouter. Okay, now I'm going to add these provider. Here I need to create one variable, all underscore provider. So here I can write provider, copy and paste. Okay, now I am going to use list. Inside the list I am going to add both Groq provider, okay, comma OpenRouter provider OpenRouter. Okay, now what, I'm going to use model from Groq. So here you can see Groq models. We have different kinds of model in Groq. Okay, so I'm just using specific models. So you can see these are the models: Llama 3, GPT, GPT-3, Whisper. Okay, we have lots of model. They have lots of models. Okay, so here I already write here model's name. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste it here, this one. So here I'm going to write Groq models. Okay, so by default I use llama 3.1 8 billion parameter instant. Okay, so this is the default one. Okay, and these are the other. Okay, this is very fast, llama 3 8 billion parameter 8192. Okay, and third is Mistral, and fourth is llama 3.3 70 billion parameter versatile. Okay, so we are going to use these four model. Okay, but by default it take this one, it will be take this one. Okay, so after this what I'm going to do, after writing Groq model, I just need to write what? OpenRouter model. Here this is the website URL of Groq. You can click here and go and check there. Okay, and here I also mention OpenRouter. This is the OpenRouter URL. You can go and check their free models. Okay, you can click here and check there, copy and paste it here. Okay, and check Groq models, sorry, OpenRouter models. Okay, so we have different kind of models. These are the models. Okay, so I'm using default Meta Llama 3. Okay, 3.31, sorry, Meta Llama Llama 3.3 70 billion instruct free. Okay, so we are just using all free model here. Okay, so don't worry about price, and also use Coin, and also use Mistral, and also use Phi here. Okay, so we are going to use this model for OpenRouter. Okay, if one is not working, then we can, it will check also these. Okay, so after creating Groq models and OpenRouter models, now we are going to write code for free tier. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it. So here I just need to write in comments approximate free tier limit. ओके अरे ये क्या था? Approximate free tier limit. Okay, so I'm going to write code for free tier limit. Okay, so how many token we have, okay, and how many requests I can send in a minute or in a day. Okay, so I'm going to write code for this. So here I'm going to write rate limit. Okay, so here I have code for this rate limit. Where is it? I'm going to copy this and paste it here in Visual Studio. Okay, so here I need to write in dictionary. Okay, and here also I need to write provider name. Okay, so provider Groq. I'm going to write rate limit for provider Groq. Okay, so here you can see request per minute we can send 30 requests. Token per minute we can use this much of token, like 14,400. Okay, so it is free tier, no credit card required. Okay, so we can use free 30 request per minute and token 14,400 per minute. Okay, and similar for I'm just writing here comma and write provider OpenRouter. Okay, here also I just need to write its rate limit also. So here I just need to copy and paste it here. Okay, so we have request per minute, that is 20, Okay, we can send 20 requests per minute, and requests per day we have 200. Okay, and note it is free model only. Okay, we use only free model, so don't worry about price. Now I have fixed our rate limit here. Now what I'm going to do, after rate limit, I'm just now going to copy this. Okay, and here I'm going to write provider setup URL. Provider setup URLs. Okay, so I'm going to set URL for provider. So here I need to write provider underscore URLs. Okay, here I just need to write Groq provider and OpenRouter provider. Groq provider Groq colon, here also provider OpenRouter. Okay, so we can write URL for both. Actually I already have these things. So मैं यहाँ पर मैं इसको copy paste कर देती हूँ. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Okay, so this is the URL of Groq model, Groq provider, and this is the URL of OpenRouter provider. Okay, you can go and check there. You can create your own API. Okay, and now what I'm going to do now, provider, is it not? It is not in a list. It is in dictionary, guys, because we have key and values here. Okay, now we are going to write code for API. Okay, API key environment variable. So here I just need to replace this. Here I just write API key environment variable. Okay, तो यहाँ पर मैं I'm going to write provider env key. Okay, provider. Oh, it should be 1 underscore, not 2. Okay, provider env key. env underscore keys. Okay, and here we can write our provider keys. So first I need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, I am going to remove this one. Okay, similarly I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to check here in my env file. Okay, so what is the name of Groq API key? This one. So here I'm just going to copy and paste it here, Groq API key. And also I'm going to copy here for OpenRouter API key from env file. Okay, here in this provider. Okay, that we can access our API keys. Okay, so that's why I'm going to write by using env file. So this code is for env keys, env key for environment variable. Now what? Now provider model env keys. Okay, this is for API keys environment variable. Now I'm going to write same thing for model. So here model environment variable. model environment variable. So here I just need to write, in place of API key, I just need to write model. Okay. Array, I did mistake here. I just need to copy this same and paste it here. Okay, so our model is Groq model. Okay, this one. And second one is our open provider model. Okay, so this one. Here I'm just writing code for model. Okay, so Groq equals Groq, provider Groq equals to Groq model, and provider OpenRouter equals to OpenRouter model. Or instead of keys, I need to replace this. I need to write model here. Model underscore env underscore keys. Okay, so this is for provider model env keys. Okay, that we can access the models. Okay, so I hope you got it, everything. Should I explain again? 1 minute. I just need to write this also in proper way. Okay, so first thing, this is our first file, provider.py in config folder. Okay, so it defines the provider and model list used in this course. Okay, so we use only two providers, Groq and OpenRouter. This file acts as the single source of the truth for provider name model list. It will give you provider names. Okay, from which provider you want to take model. Okay, and model list and environment variable. So here you can see we have two providers, Groq providers and OpenRouter providers. I add both here. Okay, provider Groq and provider OpenRouter. Okay, so these are the models of Groq model. I mean, these are the model of Groq. Okay, by default I use Llama 3 here. Okay, and these are the other models. And here you can see I use OpenRouter here, and we also have default model for OpenRouter, and these are the other model. Okay, and rate limit per model. Okay, so rate limit for Groq provider. Okay, you can send 30 requests per minute. Okay, you can use 40,400 token per minute. Okay, and this is totally free. And here this is for Groq OpenRouter provider. Okay, we can send 20. We can send requests per minute 20. Okay, and requests per day we can send 200, or it is also totally free. Okay, and provider setup we can use these two URL. Okay, this is for first one is for Groq, or second one is for OpenRouter. Okay, and provider env, these are the env. I already show you that we can access the API key from our env file from here. Okay, and we have I already write here code for env keys, and this is for model keys, model environment keys. Okay, that we can access model by using these keys. Okay, provider Groq and provider OpenRouters. So guys, this is our complete file for providers. Now I am going to write another file. Okay,